Quite often I get asked the question, how long will a wig last? Will a human hair wig last longer than a synthetic wig? How can I care for my wigs? So each wig depends on the wig wearer on how long they will last, because it depends on how well you look after the wig. Because wigs will shed still like the same as our natural hair will shed. And often when people are washing their wigs, they are not washing them with the correct shampoos and conditioners, and they are actually, if it's a fully hand-tied wig, they are brushing that wig while the wig is wet. Now what happens is if it's a hand-tied wig, it's hand knotted, and those knots become loose when the wig is wet. So if you're vigorously brushing it and combing it while it's wet, and those knots are loose, then it can make the wig shed more. So it is better to brush your wig before you wash it, and when you're washing it, don't vigorously rub it, just massage the shampoo in, rinse it, shampoo it a second time if it's needed, and then with the conditioner again, massage it into your wig rather than vigorously rubbing it. And then once you rinse your wig, then it should stay quite smooth and all going in the same direction. And then when you are, dry the inside of the cap if it's human hair, just so that you can then make those knots go tighter again. And then when you're brushing your wig, if it's a long haired wig, start from the bottom and tease it and work your way up, rather than starting from the top and dragging your brush or your comb down. Synthetic wigs can get friction frizz, and that can happen a lot if your wig is of a certain length and it is rubbing on your shoulders, on a scarf, on a coat. So be prepared for that, that can happen. The wigs can be trimmed and we can help you with friction frizz. We can't always make them 100% better, but if you are struggling with friction frizz, we have got the ability and we have got the tools to be able to help make them look a lot better. So we do offer an after service here at Morgan's. We will offer a aftercare where we will wash and blow dry your high heat fibre or your human hair wigs. And we can offer a service where we can help to accommodate you with any friction frizz that you may have in your wig.